Hi, this is Guy. Sometimes the best way to treat a particular pest is with some type of dust. For very small jobs, you can get away with a handheld duster like this one. The problem with them, though, is that they don't put out a lot of dust. So, if you have a large area to dust, such as a wall void, or even worse, a ceiling void, then you need something that puts out a lot more volume. Professional dusters usually run around $500, but you can make one out of a small shop vac that will do a great job for around $40. Let me demonstrate what I'm talking about. This is the amount of dust that is put out by a hand duster. Now, here is the amount of dust that is put out by the vacuum duster. The best part is that this is super easy to do. So let's get right into it. I purchased this shop vac on Amazon for around $33. You don't need to use this particular vacuum, but you do need one that will allow you to insert the hose into the exhaust port on the vacuum. That means you need a vacuum that has an inlet hole on one side and an outlet hole on the other side. To turn the vacuum into a duster, all you need to do is open it up and remove the filter. Pour whatever dust you want into the area of the vacuum where it normally holds the dirt. Insert the hose into the exhaust port of the vacuum, and you now have a duster. When you turn it on, the air inside the vacuum will pick up the dust and blow it out the exhaust port. Of course, the hose has a very large diameter for dusting. So, what you need to do is purchase air pump attachments that are used for the kind of air pumps that you would use to blow up pool toys, air mattresses, and that sort of thing. I purchased a set of 4 of them on Amazon for about $8. Amazingly, these things fit perfectly over the end of the hose, even though the hose had a diameter of 1.25 inches and the attachments only had a diameter of 1.18 inches. So, it should not have fit, but it did. It most likely has something to do with the way the hose on this particular vacuum was constructed. So, if you purchase a different vacuum, then you may need to modify the attachments just a bit. Obviously, the larger the opening is on the attachment you use, the more dust is going to come out. Also, you will notice on this attachment, it has a hole going out each side of the tip. This will work great for dusting wall voids because it will allow you to rotate it a little bit and shoot the dust in all directions inside the wall void. This is absolutely perfect for dusting walls that are insulated. However, if you were dusting pipe penetrations, under baseboards, under appliances, and that sort of thing, then you probably don't want the dust coming out both sides. Therefore, I cut the tip off one of these attachments so that it will shoot the dust straight out. The smaller tips are great for most applications, but if you are treating a ceiling void, then you are probably better off making a much larger hole in the drywall and using a larger attachment. For ceilings, I would probably use the vacuum hose without any attachments at all, which would mean you would need to make a 1 1/4 inch hole in the ceiling. For those of you who have watched my video on how to eliminate German cockroaches, then you know that you need to dust the walls. This is the perfect device to do that, especially if you are treating insulated walls. Okay, that's it for me. Be well, my friends, and thank you so much for watching.